Story time. Meron akong nalaman na story from one of my fans. And I'd like to share it with you. Meron siyang 14 years relationship. 5 years sila as boyfriend-girlfriend. Then 9 years as married couple. Meron silang daughter. And then working abroad yung babae. Anong nangyari? Noon pa lang, she kept a blind eye kahit na nagloloko yung partner niya. Kasi nga mahal niya eh. College days pa lang, nag-cheat na sa kanya. Nag-cheat. And then, syempre, dahil mahal niya yung tao, pinatawad niya ng pinatawad. So, the recent cheating na nangyari is that habang nasa ibang bansa siya, nalaman niya on her birthday pa, yun pa yung masakit on her birthday, na nagloloko yung partner niya. And at the same time, siya na lang pala yung hindi nakakaalam ng sitwasyon. Kahit yung family niya, yung friends niya, alam na yung pangyayari. Alam na nag-cheat sa kanya yung partner niya. And nung kinausap niya, nakakatuwa kasi hindi siya naging palaban, naging kalmado lang siya na kinausap niya yung partner niya. Kung ano talaga yung nangyari, that's a good thing kasi of course, kahit na may rumors, you need to ask your partner. So, nangyari nga, the partner denied, but then napatunayan through the screenshots na nagloko talaga. And that partner of hers is actually living with the mistress already. Sabi naman, hindi alam nung mistress na siya ay isang mistress dahil lang sabi, separated na sila. Well, in fact, hindi naman talaga. So, technically, what both of them did was wrong. The lesson from this, guys, from her actually, is that dapat hindi na natin patagalin yung agony or paghihirap sometimes sa isang relationship na toxic. Toxic in a way na the cheating has been there for a long time. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi many times. Doon mo mapuprove na once a cheater, always a cheater. If a cheater changes, maybe not for you but for the next one. Most probably, kapag nag-cheat sa'yo ang isang tao, uulitin lang yun ang uulitin sa'yo. Kaya if ever man you are in the same situation as what happened to her, it's never too late to stop. It's never too late to restart. Wala siya sa tagal ng relasyon. Marami kasing natatakot na to stop something kahit na sobrang toxic na just because matagal na sila, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. But if it's not giving you peace, if the suffering is more than the love that you are receiving, sometimes it's better to quit. Sometimes it's better to stop and give yourself the peace that you deserve.